Welcome to your first Express web application. After watching this video, you should be able to create an application using Express and identify the 5 steps to install Express. Follow these 5 steps to work with Express. 1. Declare Express as a dependency in the package manifest of your Node.js project. 2. Run the npm command to download any missing modules. 3. Import the Express module and create an Express application. 4. Create a new route handler. And 5. Start a Hypertext Transfer Protocol HTTP server on a given port number. When you declare Express as a dependency in your Node.js project and download any missing modules, you create a mynodeserver.js file in your project folder. Now you can start coding with your first Express program. In this example, we are writing a program to retrieve current weather conditions. When you have imported a copy of the Express web application framework, create an instance of the app JavaScript object from the framework. Next, create a new route handler. In your application to handle web application requests, map an HTTP method and a web resource path to the JavaScript function. Here, you are listening to incoming HTTP GET requests, which make requests to the temperature resource path. You are also saving the value after the temperature resource path in a variable named location_code. You can access the variable in the path by using request.params.location_code and store the in a location variable named location. When you run the weather.current function, you pass the parameter location which is taken from the resource path. In the last step, you start an HTTP server on a given port number. To create an instance of the server from the app, call app.listen to create a web server object, that is, an instance that listens to incoming requests on the specified port. The app listens to incoming requests, for example, on port 8080. The second parameter defines an anonymous function that the Express framework calls when it creates an instance of the server object. For the result, enter the Uniform Resource Locator or URL in your browser. In this video, you learned that when you declare Express as a dependency in your Node.js project and download any missing modules, you can create an application and start coding with Express. And to install Express, there are 5 steps. 1. Declare Express as a dependency in the package manifest of a Node.js project. 2. Run the npm command to download any missing modules. 3. Import the Express module and create an Express application. 4. Create a new route handler. And 5. Start an HTTP server on a given port number.